Hi guys, you're welcome to my channel. This is Coach Samantha. Hello new YouTubers. I keep encouraging you every time you come across my video. The first thing I'm gonna be telling you is keep going. One day it will pay off. So on this video, I have already recorded my screen to show you something I have been getting all wrong all the while. I have decided to delete my old videos, some of them that I know this one can never ever bring anything good to this channel. I've deleted them. I have unlisted some of them. All right. Once I have unlisted, it is only people that have the link that can actually watch it. All right. So I had to take a stock. I had to scroll through. What have I been doing wrong on this channel, and have been able to find out the things I used to do wrong. That is what I'm going to walk you through in case you are currently doing the same thing the wrong way. So you know you need to stop and also start doing the right thing, just like I have started doing the right thing already. So I'm gonna be walking you through my screen to show you possibly what you can as well do. If you do not want to take down your channel, which you already have subscribers, so it is not a good idea to delete that channel. Instead, you can do what I have done, unlist some videos to stop YouTube from, letting people see them. You unlist them, just people with the link can have access to them. Of course, even the people with link may not even remember such videos are existing, right? So the ones that you need to delete, you delete, and then you optimize your channel to get started. Optimize your channel to get started. That's the main thing I'll be showing you on this video on my next screen. So let's go already, guys. Remember to subscribe, like, share, and you can write on the comments any topic about YouTube growth that you would want me to share. Okay, so dear YouTubers, I am going to show you something that I did wrongly. All right, so showing you the mistakes I made will definitely correct yours. Okay, it will not make mistakes, yeah, like it will not make sense after you watch this video and then you still go ahead to do the same mistake I made. I'm going to be showing you a couple of my contents to show you this particular mistake I made all along. All right, so I'm gonna click on where you have the play button by this side. That is where all my contents are. That is where that is how your own content too will appear. So you click on there. So now you can see all these videos, right? These are posts I have made, some a couple of years ago, right? Look at this one, has a date here, 2022. So these are videos I had posted like time like for a long time ago. These are videos I've posted for a long time ago. Now I'm going to open this particular video as though I want to edit it. Okay, you see this particular video, you can see the details. Views, only one views. You can see how bad, look at where we have views. You can see how bad the views are. All right, this one that has 4,000 something was a reel, not a direct video I posted on my channel. This was not even my personal video. It does not even have a description, just a reel, a random reel I edited and uploaded, had 4,000 something views, right, and 24 likes and all of that. Like, the video did well. I posted it since 2023, and this is 2025 that I'm making this video in the month of May. All right, so let me show you something. I'm gonna act like I want to edit this video, and I'm going to show you this in a couple of videos so you know what I'm saying. What I'm about to do now is actually too late. You understand? Okay guys, so I just clicked open that video, right? I'm acting like I want to edit this video. Let me try to zoom in my screen a little. As I just clicked that particular video, it opened up. Everything was doing well. I made sure I optimized the title of this video. I made sure I optimized the description of this video. You can even see my timestamp. Like, I did everything I needed to do, all right, to have made this video to fly. But you know what? This video had only one view, though there were other engagements, but for the algorithm, what the result I got there was just one view, and that's laughable, right? So now I even added this video to a playlist. This particular playlist where I must change the world positively. So down here, click on where you have show more. Okay, now scroll. I'm going to show you something. Can you see this box that is automatically ticked under allow embedding? Can you see that box? That box says publish to subscriptions feed and notify subscribers. Publish to subscriptions feed and notify subscribers. This is very dangerous and terrible. This box was not ticked by me, but it was actually ticked by YouTube. What I needed to have done would have been to untick it before I posted this video. What this means is that I have agreed to YouTube that, oh, this video should be shown to my subscribers. Do you understand? That this video should be shown to my subscribers. So what the algorithm understands is, oh, who are the subscribers? I'm going to take time to explain this. I am a new YouTuber. So how many subscribers do I have? How many are actually on YouTube? This is the secret that has really made especially new YouTubers to struggle, because for the old YouTubers or the big YouTubers, their subscribers has a beautiful reach, a large reach, all right? Their content has a large reach and audience. So even if that place is ticked, they may not necessarily have any issue. The algorithm would still push their videos out because there are so many people waiting to consume them. But for new YouTubers, if you do not untick that place, if you do not uncheck that button, and then you post your videos, your channel is likely to struggle just the way mine was. Okay, so now from the next video I'll be making, I'll ensure I untick that box carefully, and I repeatedly check and confirm that actually that particular box is unchecked, all right, before I upload my video. You can imagine I actually optimized everything. I set up everything. This is my latest video I made. I set up everything, yet I didn't get that place right. I had to ask myself, what exactly did I not do on this video, especially on the setup, that I'm not still getting views. All right, so I was able to find that out. So, and now, if
Oh, please give me a pause. Have you subscribed to this channel? Have you given me a comment? Kindly do that. I want YouTube to recommend this video for more people who are interested in such topics. And you know, this video can solve problem for one or two people. Why not go ahead and subscribe? Why not go ahead and give me a thumbs up? That will really go a long way. Thank you. Keep watching.
you ask me, will I be deleting this video? Yes, for this particular one, because it is the latest and doesn't have engagement, I am going to delete this particular one because I intend to upload them again. But for my previous videos that I do not intend to re-upload, what I'll do is to unlist them. I won't delete them. I'll just go edit it and click on unlist. All right, once they are unlisted, these videos will no longer be shown to viewers. Do you know why? The disadvantage of these videos being shown to viewers is that people may just click and then lose interest, and then the algorithm will pick that people are not interested in that particular video, and it will affect your channel negatively. So is it not better you unlist them, like saying hide them from the public, and then start all over doing the right thing? All right, so that is the idea. Anyone that did really bad, I'm going to delete them and re-upload them the right way. And then the one that gave me views, like there's a video I made, I think here before last, and then it gave me 2,000 something views. I may not intend, look at it here, 2,210 views. That was about showing how to generate latest AI photos, right? And how did I generate those views? People followed me from Facebook to learn. Yes, because I can show you that I actually made this same mistake. Can we edit this video for me to show you that I actually made this same mistake? All right, so I am very sure I made the same mistake. I did not uncheck that box. I can assure you that I did not uncheck that box. So this has been ongoing. And then you can see this one. I did not even do description. I didn't do much because I did not even know much as at the time. As of the time I uploaded this video, I didn't know much. So you can imagine the box is here. Look at it right here. It was ticked. So, but not for the fact that people followed me from other channels to watch and learn how to edit their pictures with the AI tool that was really a thing at that moment, it means I would not have gotten such views and engagement on that video. I hope you understand. So without much ado, I would go ahead and then create a summary for you to understand that in case you have been getting it all wrong. In fact, if you are a new YouTuber and you are just meeting this information for the first time, I need you to rush down to your channel, begin to open your videos and check. Have you made the same mistake? It is time to correct it and then start all over again. So whatever it is you want to ask, please go ahead. Feel free in the comments. Ask me. I have my Gmail address on my bio in case you would want to send a message, in case your message is private and you don't want to drop in the comments. So go ahead. I need your support, of course. Let's grow together. Yes, so if you've not subscribed, please go ahead to do that, like, share, and tell somebody about this channel. Thank you for your support always, and see you in my next video. Please do not miss out. I have worked really hard to ensure I give you useful information for your time. Nothing is wasted. Thank you.